Are you struggling with frequent urination, weak urine flow, or prostate discomfort? You're not alone. Millions of men face these challenges every day, affecting their sleep, energy, and confidence. Introducing ProstaVive, the most potent, fast-acting formula for prostate health and strong urine flow. Designed to support your prostate, improve urinary function, and boost your overall vitality, ProstaVive is the solution you have been searching for. As men age, prostate issues like frequent nighttime urination, weak flow, and discomfort can disrupt your life. ProstaVive works by optimizing prostate blood circulation, which is essential for maintaining a healthy prostate. A 2023 study by Fukushima Medical University in Japan showed that healthy blood flow helps metabolize cells around the prostate, reducing swelling and improving urine flow. With ProstaVive, you'll experience stronger urine flow and fewer bathroom trips, deeper, more restful sleep, increased energy and vitality throughout the day, a revived love life and improved confidence, and overall prostate health support to keep you feeling your best. ProstaVive's unique formula is packed with scientifically backed ingredients, including Tomcat Ali, boosts prostate health and sexual performance. Ashwagandha, reduces inflammation and supports prostate function. Zinc, essential for healthy sperm production and prostate health. Boron, optimizes detoxification and supports brain function. Maca root, enhances energy, libido, and prostate health. Nettle root, promotes urinary tract health and hormone balance. These ingredients work together to create a powerful synergistic effect, helping you achieve optimal prostate health and overall well-being. Don't wait any longer to take control of your prostate health. Click the link below to order ProstaVive today, and start your journey to a healthier, happier you.